Hello, how are you students? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is Mathematics, and students, this online lecture is for the class 2. So let's start this lecture with the quote. The today's quote is, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So if you want to reach to your goal, so you have to make plan for it. Otherwise it will be just a wish. So let's going to start chapter number 4, and the name of this chapter is numbers up to 1000. So students, here let's see first a short recap of the previous lecture. So if there is any doubt in this topic, so it will be clear today. So let's see the topic which is we seen yesterday. Here is the topic which is find the number that is less than and more than. So let's see the short recap of this topic first and then move to the today's topic. So let's see this. Here first of all we see the more than 10. It means we have to add 10 numbers into the particular digit. Let's see how we can add this. Here is some examples for you. Number 1 you can see here. So as I told you, here is the number 1, 345. So you have to add this 10 number into this 45, and the shortcut method is you have to just add one number into this 4, because 4 is at the tens place, so we can add one number into this 4. Let's see the answer. So you can see we add one number into this 4, so we get the answer 5. So 345 plus 10 is equal to 355. Same as example number 2, 733. We add 10 number to this 33. So we get the answer 743. Same way number 3, 658 plus 10 is equal to 668. We get the answer. Number 4, 425, we add 10 number to it, so we get the answer 435. This way we have to adding the numbers. The next one is less than 10. It means what? It means minus 10. It means take away the 10 numbers. Let's see how through the examples. Here is the example, students. Same way as we add in the previous examples, we add the 10 numbers. So here we cut the 10 numbers. Here is the 45. So we have to cut 10 numbers from this 45. And the shortcut method is you have to cut this one number from this 4. Let's see the answer. Here you can see if we cut one number from this 4, we get the 3 number. And if you cut 10 numbers from this 45, you get the 35 number. Same way we have to complete this example. Let's see how. Here 733 minus 10. So if you cut 10 number from this 33, you will get the answer 23. So here is the answer 723. Here is in the example number 3, 658. So if you cut 10 number from this 58, you get the answer 648. Example number 4, 425. You have to cut 10 numbers from the 25. So you get the answer 415. So now let's see some examples regarding this topic. So here is 123. In the first column we have to add 10 numbers, and in the second column we have to cut 10 numbers and write down the answer. So here 123. So first we add the 10 numbers to this number. So we have to add 10 numbers into this 23. Let's see the answer. 133. If you add a 10 number to this number, you get the answer 133. Now let's see, here is the answer 13. So if we cut 10 number from this 23, you get the answer 113. Now here number 2. 947. This is our second example. So students, let's add 10 number first. So here we get the answer 957. Let's cut the 10 number from it. So if you cut 10 number from this number, so you get the number 937. Example number 3, which is 667. So let's add 10 number to this number. So you get the answer 677. Let's cut 10 number from it. So you get the answer 657. Next example 325. Let's add 10 number to it. So you get the answer 335. Let's cut the 10 number from 325. So you get the answer 315. Here is 578. Let's add 10 number to it. So we get the answer 588. We cut 10 number from this number 578. So we get the number 568. 324. This is our next example. Let's add 10 number to it. So we get the answer 334. Let's cut 10 number from this 324. So we get the answer 314. Here is 896. So we add 10 number to it. So we get the number 906. And if we cut 10 numbers, so we get the 886 answer. Let's see the next one, which is more than 100. It means plus 100. We have to add 100 numbers to the given number. Let's see how through the examples. Here is the example, which is 645. So we have to add 100 numbers to this number, and you can add just one number to the hundreds place. So you also get the answer. Let's see how. Here is the answer 745. If you add 100 number into the 645. Number 2, 233. If you add 100 numbers to it, 2 plus 1 at the hundreds place. So the answer 333 we get as the answer. 558. Just add one number at the hundreds place. It means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we get the answer 658. Here is number 4, which is 425 plus 100 is equal to 525. This way we have to complete this exercise. Here less than 100, it means minus 100. We have to take away the 100 numbers from the given digit. Let's see how. Here 645. So we have to cut 100 numbers from this 645, and we cut one number from the hundreds place. So also we can get the answer. Let's see how. Here you can see we cut one number from the hundreds place, and the tens and ones digit are as it is. So we get the answer 545. Example number 2, 733. We cut one number from the hundreds place. So we get the answer 633. Example number 3, we cut 100 number from the 658. So we get the answer 558. Example number 4, 425. We cut 100 number from it. So we get the answer 325. Let's see now some examples according to this topic. 123. So first, in the first column we add the 100 numbers, and in the second column we cut the 100 numbers and then write down the answers. Let's see how. 123 plus 100, it means 223, and minus 100, it means 23. Example number 2, we add the 100 number, it means 1047 number, and if we cut 100 number, we get 847 number as a answer. Next one, 667. Let's add 100 numbers to it, so 767 will come. And if we cut 100 numbers, so 567 number will come. 325, let's add 100 number, so 425 number will come. And if we cut 100 numbers, so 225 number will come. 578, this is the next example. Let's add 100 number to it, so 678 number will come. And if we cut number hundreds, so we get the answer 478. Next one, 324, so we get the answer 424 if we add 100 numbers to it. And if we cut 100 numbers, so we get the answer 224. Here is the last one, 896. If I add 100 numbers to it, we get the answer 996. And if we cut the number 100, we get the answer 796. So here is the exercise. Let's complete it. Let's solve it first. Here is 10 more than in the number 1. Here we have to add 10 numbers, and here we have to cut the 10 numbers. Let's see. 474, we add 10 numbers, then 484 number will come. 708, so 718 number will come. 246, so the answer 256 will come. 58, if you add 10 number to it, the answer 68 number will come. 882, and add 10 number to it, so number 892 will come. And if you add 10 number to the 600, so the answer 610 will come. Now let's less than the number, cut the numbers, 10 numbers. 511, so 501 number will come. 999, so 989 number will come. 118, so this number is come if you cut 10 numbers from the 128. 314, so 330 number will come. Then 275 number will come. And if you cut 10 number from the 817, so the number 807 will come. Here now the exercise of the hundreds. In the first column we have to add 100 numbers, and in the second column we have to cut the 100 numbers. Let's see. First 645, next one 245, and the answer is 345. Next one 76, so the answer is 176. Next one 479, so the answer is 579. 899, so the answer is 999. 364, so the answer is 464. Now the less than 560, so answer is 460. Next one 700, so the answer is 600. 126, so the answer is just 26. 999, so the answer is 899. 270, so the answer is 170. And the last one 614, so the answer is 514. Hope this concept is clear to you all and there is no doubt regarding this topic. Let's see the today's topic, which is comparing the number. You also learn this topic in the first chapter and also in the first standard, but let's see this topic in the chapter number 4 also. So here is the topic. Let's start this. Hello everyone, my name is Ali the alligator. You can see he is a alligator. Now let's see. Before we start, let's learn some vocabulary words. So let's see some words regarding this topic. And what is this word? Let's see the words. Here is for the comparing the numbers. Here is the 3 words, which is greater than, and the sign of this greater than is this, is less than. So the less than sign is this, and is equal to, you know very well that equal to sign is that 2 sleeping lines is the equal to sign. But where to use this? Whenever the big digit are there, you have to put the symbols are there, particular symbols, greater than symbol, less than symbol and equal to symbols. You have to just put that symbols, but let's see how we can put. Here is the some words. Now you know few vocabulary words in this lesson. Let's learn some more. Here is, you can see here is two symbols are there. You can see this. I am going to help you learn all about my special symbols. They look like this. Here you can see this is the symbols and we have to use these symbols to compare the numbers. As we use in the first chapter also to compare the numbers, here we are again using this to compare the numbers. Now students, take a look at this. This sign it means less than and this sign it means greater than. Just keep this in your mind, which sign and what is the name of this sign. Here is, I repeat again, less than. If the crocodile open their mouth to the right side, it means the less than, and if crocodile open its mouth to the left side, it means greater than. Just keep this in your mind, what is less than and what is the greater than. Let's see now. Here let's read it. The symbol are a bit like my mouth. I am hungry alligator and I always want to eat the biggest number. So alligator always eat the bigger number. So the alligator open its mouth to the bigger number also. So here you can see, here number 4 is the smallest number. You can see this arrow indicates this, the smallest number is the 4, and here at the right side the biggest number is number 10. So you can see this alligator open its mouth to the 10 in the front of the 10 number, because alligator always eats a big numbers. Just keep this in your mind. Alligator always eat the bigger number. So here the bigger number is the 10 number. So alligator will eat the 10 number. Let's see now. Important note. This is very important notes for you. Always look at the first set of numbers from the left side before comparing. Always you have to just checking the numbers with the left side. So this is the important notes for you. Now see, need some more help. Here is number 4 and number 6. Let's start with the left side. As I told you in the note, here is number 4 which is at the left side, and here is number 6 which is at the right side. Now 6 is bigger than 4. So my mouth wants to eat number 6, which is the big number. You can see now 6 is a big number and 4 is a small number. So the alligator will eat number 6. So alligator will open the mouth in front of the 6 number. Here see this on your whiteboard. Can you put my mouth facing the right direction? Remember, I want to eat the biggest number. Let's check with the left side. At the left side is 32 number and at the right side 127 number. So students, which number alligator have to eat? So the bigger number is 127. So alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So here 127 is a bigger number. Well done, my mouth is open to eat 127 because it's a bigger number than 32. You can see now this number is bigger, so alligator will eat 127 number. Here is one more example for you. What about this? Here is 130 and here is 99. Which one is big one? Which number alligator will eat? Just tell me, students. So 130 number alligator have to eat because this number is big. Well done, my mouth is open to eat 130 because it's bigger than 99. As I told you, alligator always eat the bigger number. So here 130 number is the bigger number. So students, alligator will eat the 130 number. Now students, Now what if both numbers are the same? You can see here both the sides are same number, at the left side 2 number and also at the right side 2 numbers. I don't know which one to eat because there are all the numbers are same at the both sides. So which number have to alligator to eat, because alligator only eat the bigger number and here the both the sides number are same, then what? Now if both numbers are the same, it means they are equal. So we have to put the equal to sign here. Okay students. So whenever you see that both the sides having the same number, you have to put this equal to sign. It means this sign you can see on the screen. Now students, I have some examples for you. Let's see some vocabulary. Here is 545 and here is 534. Which number alligator will eat? The number 545 will eat. Next one 674 and here is 676. So which is the big? So the number 676 is a big one. Here is 599 and at the right side 595. So alligator eat which number? Which is the bigger number? And here the bigger number is 599. So bigger number alligator will eat. Here 287 at the left side and 287 at the left side. So these two numbers are same. So which sign I have to put? So we have to put the equal to sign. Next one, at the left side there is number 535 and at the right side 553. So which is the big number? So 553 is a big number. Let's see next one, 448 and 484. So from this number, which is the big one? So 484, this number is a bigger number. Here is 882 and 828. So here 82 is a bigger number because the hundreds value is the same both the sides. So let's check the tens and ones value. Here is a 82 and here is a 28. So this 882 number is big. So alligator will eat this number. Next one 656 and 562. So the alligator will eat 656 number. Here is the next one 737 and 735. So you can see this at the hundreds place there are same number which is the 7 and just check the tens and ones value which is 37 here and here is the 35. So 37 is a bigger number, so alligator will eat 737 number. Let's see the next one 945 and 954. Let's see, here is the 45 and here is the 54. So the bigger number is 954. So alligator will eat the 954 number. Here is 870 and here is 807. So here is 07 and here is the 70. So this is the bigger number which is 870. So alligator will eat 870 number. Next one which is 633 which is at the left side and 633 which is at the right side. So students, these two numbers are same. So we have to put the equal to sign there. Next one 344 and at the right side 423. So the bigger number is 423. Here is the example 644 and 624. So students, 44 is a big number, so we have to put this sign. So this number is bigger 644. Here is 582 and here is 833. So this number is big which is at the right side. So alligator will eat 833 number. Here is 763 and 763. So we have to put the equal to sign because these two numbers are same. Here is the next example, 882 and 828. So here 82 number is bigger, so alligator will eat the left number. Here is the last example, 797 and 577. So this left side number, which is 797, is a bigger. So we have to put this sign. Hope there is no doubt regarding this topic, comparing the number. Now let's see the exercise of your textbook. Are you ready for the exercise, students? So here is your textbook exercise, which is exercise 4C. Question number 1. Use these two symbols and write down to the circle. Compare the numbers of digit. Number A, 32 and 593. Which is big? 593 is big. Number B, 7 at the left side and 685 at the right side. So 685 number is a big number. Number C, 806 and 60. So 806 is a big number, so we have to put this sign. Here number D, 65 and 416. So 416 is a big number. Number E, 380. So 300 is a big number. Number F, 519 and 51. So students, 519 is a big number, so this sign will come. Next one, exercise in the exercise 4C, the question number 2. Use these symbols less than and greater than. Compare the digit in the hundreds place. We have to check the hundreds place. In the number A, here is the 3 and here is the 7. At the left side number 3 and right side number 7. So number 7 is a bigger number. Number B, here is the 3 at the hundreds place and at the right side number 5. So number 5 is a bigger number. Number C, here is the 6 number at the hundreds place at the left side and 7 number at the right side. So number 7 is a bigger. Number D, here is the 6 is at the hundreds place at the left side and 4 number is a right side. So 6 number is a bigger, so we have to put this sign here. Here is in the number E, number 1 is at the hundreds place at the left side and number 2 is at the hundreds place at the right side. So number 2 is a bigger number here. Let's see the number F. Here is at the left side at the hundreds place number 8 at the hundreds place and at the right side number 9 is at the hundreds place. So number 9 is a bigger here. You have to put this sign here. Number 3. Now you have to compare the tens place. In the number A, here at the left side number 3 is at the tens place and at the left side number 2 is at the tens place. So 3 number is a bigger number. Number B, just keep this in your mind. We are checking the tens place only. Right, left side here is number 3 at the tens place and here number 4 at the right side. So here number 4 is a bigger. Number C, here is 0 at the tens place and here right side number 4 at the tens place. So 4 number is a bigger. Number D, here is 2 at the tens place at the left side and right side number 9 at the tens place. So number 9 is a bigger number. Here is number E at the left side 0 at the tens place and at the right side number 5 at the tens place. So 5 is a bigger number than 0. Number F, students, here at the left side number 1 is at the tens place and at the right side number 6 at the tens place. So 6 is a bigger than 1. So you have to put this sign here. Let's see question number 4. Here is ones place you have to compare. Here is at the left side 2 and here is 4. So this sign we have to put. Number B, 6 number is big, 0 and 6. Here in the number C, 9 and 8. So 9 is a bigger number. In the number D, 3 and 1. So 3 is a bigger number. In the number E, 9 and 1. So 9 is a bigger number. So we have to put this sign. Number F, 1 and 7. So we have to put this sign. Last exercise, number 5. Number A, the number 243 is bigger. Number B, 767 and 765. So 67 number is bigger. Number C, 62 and 726. So 726 number is bigger. Number D, 243 and 235. So the number 243 is bigger. Number E, 406 and 65. So 406 number is bigger. 443 and 143. So 443 is a bigger number. Number G, 489 and 481. So here 489 is a bigger number. Number H, 106 and 667. So 667 is a bigger number. Number I, 728 and 729. So the number 729 is a bigger number. Now, thank you students for watching this online lecture and hope you understood this topic, and we'll meet in the next lecture with the new topic. So, stay home, stay safe and do your homework. Bye students.